I have my queen cells in this hive over here. It is time to introduce them to these new hives above the double screen board. These hives are marked with bright colors so the queens can find their way back easily. I made up these over the double screen board nucs yesterday, so it's been about 24 hours since they've been made. Alright, let's go back to my starter and the finisher hive, and we're gonna open it up and look inside. In order to get good queen cells, you want your starter finisher hive to be overpopulated, have lots and lots of nurse bees. So when you're setting it up, you want to have a lot of capped brood and nurse bees. You want to make sure they're kind of tight. There's a lot of them, and you want to provide them pollen so they have enough protein to feed these larvae and make the queen cells. I use my hive tool to prop the frame. Then I'm going to pull the frame out of the hive. The bees are very calm. I'm not even using any smoke. When I pull the frame out, I just put it on top of the hive so I can examine those queen cells. You have to be very gentle with the bees, and they're going to be gentle back. I grafted 1-day-old larvae into cell cups on April 20th. Now it's April 29th and it's time to move them to the mating nucs. I am using an online self-generating queen rearing calendar. These queen cells look amazing, and the key to producing good quality superior queen cells is to make sure that you're grafting larvae that just hatched from an egg. You also want to make sure that all the larvae looks about the same size, so you wouldn't have an older larvae grafted and no queen cells will hatch, queen rearing hive, and destroy the other queen cells. So I usually have my nuc hive open and with a frame that's ready to receive the grafts. Then I will gently remove these. I don't want to shake them. I don't want them to fall. I want to be very gentle with them. When I handle them, I grab them by the cup, and then I go and put them into the new colony. The queens should hatch in about 3 days in their new families. I am placing 2 to 3 queen cells into each hive to give me a better chance of success. Sometimes a queen can be upside down, and that gives her a bad chance, or she might have something defective like missing a leg, or the wing might not be perfectly there. So to maximize my chances, I put 2 queen cells in each nuc. Another option would be to take these queen cells, put them in the incubator, have them hatch, examine the virgin queens, and then place them into these new hives, mating hives. The optimal temperature for the queens to hatch is 93 to 95 Fahrenheit, and it's mostly about 95 Fahrenheit with enough humidity. So you need to make sure your nuc boxes have enough bees to keep the temperature around 95 degrees in the cluster where the queen cell would be. Here you have a couple graphs that show you the core temperature, optimal temperature for survival, the inner zone and the outer zone where the temperature drops. The bees are so smart, they know what to do. As you see, they're all over those queen cells, keeping them warm. I place the queen cells on a frame that has brood, pollen. I'm placing them where I would usually see a supersedure cell, kind of in a similar location. There's a lot of bees in here. Look at these juicy cells. I will put this frame right next to the other frame that has kept brood, right over the two holes of the, kind of in the middle of the hive, over the double screen hole, because the warmth from the bottom hive is going to come up to the top. So as you see, I'm putting it right in the middle of the hive where the cluster of bees would be. Here's a quick example what you would see in the nature where the bees place queen cells. Done. Like, subscribe, and share, and make beekeeping part of your life.